Hey everyone, it's Jessie. Today I'm going to show you how to do the half double crochet into the third loop, also known as the horizontal bar. I have worked up a swatch to show you what the texture of this stitch looks like. I find it absolutely beautiful. It kind of pushes some stitches out and makes it look almost like a knit stitch. To start out, you'll want to crochet a row of half double crochets. If you're not sure how to do that, I'm going to link a video here so you can go ahead and check that out and then come back here. So after every row, we are going to chain one and then we are going to turn our work. Here's the chain one that we just did here. And here's our first half double crochet stitch. Here's the top, this little V, and the bar back here is called the back loop. And this front one is called the front loop. And then if you turn it to the side here, this horizontal bar is called, well, the horizontal bar, but it's also called the third loop. This is the one that we are going to be working into today. We are going to yarn over, and then you're going to take your hook here and we're going to put it underneath this third loop, right underneath, and then you're going to yarn over again, pull through, yarn over, pull through all three. If you ever get lost and you're not sure which one to put your hook under, just turn your work to the top here, look for your next stitch. So here's our V stitch, and directly under that is going to be the horizontal bar that you need. So we'll yarn over, we'll go right underneath that horizontal bar or third loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all three. Here's our next stitch here, and directly under that is our third loop. So we'll yarn over, go underneath that third loop, yarn over, pull through, and then you do your regular half double crochet. So let's do another one, yarn over. There's our next stitch. Directly under is our third loop. Go underneath that, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all three. I also wanted to show you that when you get to the end of your row, it can be a little tricky getting into that last stitch. So if you turn your work, look for that last V. So as you can see here, here's a V and here's another V. That's our last V right there. And then directly under that is actually this loop here. So we will want to yarn over and go underneath that loop. So that is how you do a half double crochet into the third loop, also known as the horizontal bar. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give me a like below, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.